students. In previous video, I give you the answers of 25 words question of lesson number 16, All the Worlds a Stage by William Shakespeare. Now today I give you the answers of the following question in about 50 words. Now the question number 1 is, this poem is pictorial in effect as it draws the 7 parts played by men on the stage of the world with extraordinary clarity and vivid force. Explain. In this question students, you have to write about the 7 stages of the man. कि इस पोएम में जिस तरह से आपको 7 स्टेजेस की क्लियरिटी से बताया गया है कि जो 7 स्टेजेस हैं वो हम किस तरह से प्ले करते हैं, तो उसके एक्सप्लेन करना है. सो द आंसर इज, the poem presents a pictorial description of the 7 stages in the life of a man. On the world's stage, a man enters as an infant. Then he plays the part of a school-going boy. Third is the role of a youth in love with someone. Then the person plays the role of a soldier, always ready to die on the name of honor. Then the person plays the role of a sleek-bellied judge. In his 6th age, the person becomes old. And the 7th age is the second childishness. Now the person loses all his physical and mental powers and he acts like a child. So this one is the 7 stages of man. Now question number 2. The portraits of the soldier and the magistrate are quite satirical in this poem. Comment on the above statement. स्टूडेंट्स, इस पोएम में सोल्जर और मैजिस्ट्रेट को जिस तरह से पोर्ट्रेट किया गया है तो ये एक व्यंग्यात्मक रूप इसका बताया गया है. तो इस स्टेटमेंट को हमें इस पर कमेंट करना है. सो आंसर इज, द पोर्ट्रेट्स ऑफ द सोल्जर and the magistrate are quite satirical. First, the soldier who is always ready to die for the sake of short-lived fame. In spite of fighting in war, he invites quarrel at all places. Second, the magistrate who is full of wise sayings and great wisdom. His wisdom is for others. He himself is well fed and leads a life of joy and comfort. He never follows the same maxim or wisdom in his own life. Now students, these are the questions in about 50 words. So we go to the writing skill. Now from the writing skill students, there are 2 questions like paraphrase the extract all the words at stage. इसके बारे में आप ये all the worlds stage के बारे में आपको लिखना है. Now the answer is, all the world is a stage and all men and women are merely players. They enter the stage and they go off it again. And one man in one's lifetime plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first he plays the part of the infant, crying and throwing out milk in the nurse's arm. Then he plays the part of the schoolboy, who carrying his bag is least willing to go to school, and with his bright morning face he trudged on at a snail's pace. And then comes the lover. He sighs like a furnace and writes pathetic verses addressing his mistress. Then comes the soldier. He is stocked with all violent and outrageous oaths, wears a formidable beard, is sensitive on the point of honor and quick and hasty in quarrel, and ready to sacrifice his life at the mouth of the cannon for the sake of unsubstantial glory. And then the judge, well fed and sleek, with his bulging belly, with his serve eyes and well-trimmed beard, full of wise maxims and commonplace observations, plays his part on the stage of the world. The 6th age transforms one into a feeble dotard in slippers, with glasses on the nose and pocket on the side. Now he makes use of his youthful hose, too wide for his shrunk legs, and his mammish voice turns again into the shrill tone of a child. And all that it is capable of is a squeaking whisper and mewble. So students, you have to write this question in your fair notebook.